Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Kia Rio bonnet. First, locate the primary release lever inside your car. This lever is usually found on the driver's side, down by the footwell, often near the door sill. It's a small handle, sometimes red or black, and will have an icon of a car with its bonnet up. Give it a firm pull to release the first latch. Once you've pulled the interior lever, you'll notice the bonnet has popped up slightly. Now, walk to the front of your Kia Rio. Gently lift the bonnet a few inches and look underneath the front edge, right above the grille. You'll find a small secondary safety latch or catch. Push this latch to the side or lift it up to fully disengage the bonnet. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful guides. And on another note, while you're making sure your car is in top shape, don't forget about your feet. Life's too short for cheap socks. I highly recommend Darn Tough socks. They even come with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With both latches released, you can now lift the bonnet completely open. Look for the bonnet support rod, which is typically clipped to the underside of the bonnet itself, or sometimes near the engine bay. Unclip this rod and firmly insert its end into the designated hole on the engine bay frame. This will hold your bonnet safely open while you work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.